Hi buddies, hope you're doing fine. In this series, we will discuss about Jacobean to Restoration period. If you are ready, let's start. 759 onwards. The first volume of Gibbon's The Decline and Fall of the Roman Empire came out in the year 1776. The last volume of Gibbon's The Decline and Fall of the Roman Empire appeared in the year 1788. Who picture Boswell as being a knavish button, maculae, a vindication of natural society. One is a parody of the style and ideas of Bolingbroke. Who wrote A Vindication of Natural Society? Edmund Burke. The Wealth of Nations is a prose work on economics written by Adam Smith. Who is known as the theological writer of the age? William Paley. The Natural History of Selborne was written by Gilbert White. Sheridan's fast play, St. Patrick's Day, or The Scheming Lieutenant appeared in the year 1775. The Bard is a poem by Gray. Collins' Ode to Passions came out in the year 1747. The Hermit is a famous poem by Goldsmith. John Gilpin is a Burley Sow poem by Cowper. Douglas is a tragedy by John Home, who said the wife sent out her husband, she shuts herself in Eden with Satan, Adam is left outside. Victor Hugo. John Phillips' The Splendid Shilling is a parody of the style of Milton's Paradise Lost. Who is known as the Plowman? Robert Burns. Which novel begins with the sentence, "It is true observation that examples work more forcibly only on the mind than precept"? Joseph Andrews. To whom Henry Fielding's Tom Jones is dedicated? George Lytton. The first edition of the Encyclopedia Britannica came out in the year 1771. When Lovely Woman Stoops to Fall occurs in a play written by Gold. That's all about the video. Hope this video will be useful one, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you're having any suggestion, let me know in the comment section. We'll see you next video. Tada, bye bye.